Thumbtack knows. Get recommendations for all your home projects. Hire the right pro today.
At Chomps, we create snacks for people who are hungry to get the most out of life, who only accept the highest quality. Because real life demands real ingredients. We make snacks that don't take shortcuts, with grass-fed and finished beef, 0 sugar, and up to 12 grams of protein. When life challenges you, take bigger bites.
Doritos.
Chomps, take bigger bites. Learn more at chomps.com.
Now he's gonna be crazy running through the house.
I invited a couple friends over. I invited David over, and Kareem ended up showing up. I met Kareem at a wedding.
Look at his tail.
At this show.
He's like, what is going on in this house?
At my brother's house for a party, and I just remember